the gods are real, like the Greek gods.
Like the ones you learned about but weren't paying attention to.
Well, they don't pay attention to you either, especially if you're their kid. The gods have godly things to do, godly places they need to see,
Godly plans they need to make that don't include me.
yeah, the gods are real, and they have kids, and those kids have issues. Daddy doesn't love me, and mommy is a god.
Mommy can't protect me and daddy is a god.
Mommy is too busy, and daddy is too busy. Busy, 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 busy being a god. Yeah. You never listen to me, you never listen. You never listen to me, you never listen. Oh, you never listen, but now you're gonna listen. Cause it's time you heard our side of the story. It's time you heard our story.
Hello, I'm Lane. I play Luke in the musical, and I am the person behind the scenes on the camera. Jeff's currently interviewing me right now. But, so as a senior, as we're leaving, it's pretty emotional because, you know, we kind of started from the bottom, and now we're here. We've all changed a lot physically, mentally. It's really hard to leave everybody else behind and kind of just like, you know, it's really hard. It's because the relationship that you build with these people along the way and along the path is, again, it's so difficult and hard to leave them. It's sad because we're gonna be missing you guys. What else? I think the show is going really well. Tonight's night 2. We ran it yesterday. We're about to run it again in about an hour. Very excited for it. And I'm really sad that we're leaving all these people behind. But I'm ready to graduate.
Woo.
Let's go.
Graduation, let's get it.
Hi, my name is Shanna Cherry. I'm Karen in the play. I think it's so fun. I think the play's going so great. I'm telling everybody how much I love touring theater. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I love these people. I think they're so cool, and everyone's so individual and has so much personality, and I just love it.
All right, Hades.
I'm Remy. I did scene design for the play, and I'm Squirrel. This whole play process has been pretty stressful for me because I do some other stuff for the play, but everyone else has been doing great, and it's good to know that no matter how bad I fuck up today, other people can still take the show away.
Drop off her head!
So I play as Percy, main character. How I feel about the show, honestly, I feel like everything's going by really well. Have good character chemistry. I feel like every character was made for their role. Like everyone just fits the role perfectly. The show's been going really smooth. Vocal people are killing it, acting people are killing it, dance people are killing it. I love the choreographer, Mr. Rice. He's really helping me out with a lot of stuff. And overall, I feel like this show is just gonna be really good and everything, yeah.
Fins and his mermaids. Ain't these?
Hi, I'm Hades. The show is actually doing really well now. Yesterday, we had little accidents here and there, but it was pretty good. As you see right now, everyone's acting like a crackhead right now, but hopefully they'll be like that for this show. And yeah.
Excited about everything and how everyone's doing. All the other cast members besides like 10 seniors are like lower classmen, so I'm really excited about what they're gonna do with the show, with the drama club after we leave. And I'm so excited to see the upcoming productions if I'm not already famous and have time to come see them. Yeah, that's it.
Hi, I'm Heather Burgard.
Everything going on.
Honestly, I think Percy Jackson is going so well. I love the entire cast, including you, Lane. I love all the singers. You are really good, and I just feel really well about this. Yeah.
My name is Ayana George.
And if you could describe theater in a few words, what would it be? Like, share your experience.
A few words. Thinking of something very sparky and magical, like boom, kaboom. If you can think of a word that puts that together, There you go.
Hey, I'm Summer. I play DJ Cerberus and the Ugly Statue. I think the play is going awesome. My favorite part is the sexy little squirrel. I'm kind of into furries like that, so.
Just saying.
And how do you feel about like the seniors leaving and like anything else going on?
I don't want them to go. It's probably
It's been very crazy, but get crazy. We've been working together since January, and it's finally happening. It's pretty amazing. And I'll be honest, a lot of people didn't think it would turn out this well, but it was great after our like fifth rehearsal.
I'm Preston Millhouse. I'm the lighting director for The Lightning Thief. Actors are fantastic. I can't wait to see them next year.
I think it will go extremely well. I'm a little nervous because, you know, calling stuff, and I hope everybody else does well. I think the main thing is trying to hear everybody else while everybody else is trying to talk to me in my ears, so.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize you were
I'm
recording. I've always like thought about doing theater, never like really said, hey, let's do it. But now that I'm like doing lighting, I kind of want to try out for the play next year or the music. I don't know yet.
So hi, I am a part of the sound crew, and I'm actually like last minute coming in. I've only had 2 rehearsals doing this, so
She's our hero.
I'm doing the best that I can.
Hello, my name is Erica Cristobal. I am the assistant manager for sound cues. And for this play, I think we did like good. Or actually no, good, not good, but the best. This is like the best show that I ever joined. And I'm just glad that everyone is having fun and we're doing so good. So.
Take it away.
Hi guys.
Hey.
How are you feeling about tonight?
Good.
Yesterday was really good. It was the first time I had actually like seen the show, and you guys all did amazing. And I have really high hopes for next year because most of us are seniors, like officers, and you know, a lot of people inducted are seniors as well. But this play is brought together so many young people, talented, all of you guys, and you have big shoes to fill, but I can see all of you really good. And I'm excited. We have one more night, so no need to get emotional. Nobody cried.
I cried yesterday.
Nobody cried. Save it for the last night. Yeah, you guys are all amazing, and you're doing great. And I'm excited for the next year and to see the next officers. And I hope all of you get inducted as well. Get inducted.
I swear.
Please. Stay. You'll like it, please. Okay. Like Kevin was saying, you guys did amazing last night. It's not targeted.
Stop looking at me. I didn't do anything wrong.
What team? I'll be back next summer.